Hey YouTube members, I just can't help but to quickly come online to share with you some exciting videos that we'll be launching here, right here on YouTube in the next coming days and weeks. The first one, Cindy and I, our newest model, paid a visit to Malaysia's grandest and most happening and the most amazing mall, the Lalaport. We found some amazing place to shoot there and we did some fantastic shot and we learned so much from that episode. We just can't wait to share with you this episode, and that is coming soon. Not only that, Cindy and I spent the whole day there. We waited for nightfall just to do this experiment where we did 5 different types of lighting style with 5 different types of lights, and we studied the quality of light. Stay tuned for this episode. So we have 2 episodes on Lalaport, and then we have this episode proudly brought to you by Pixel, the company that specializes in photography and videography equipment and lighting. This episode, we teach you how you can use one LED light and one smartphone to get photos like this. Photos that really rivals what Nespresso does in their commercial. So viewers, just want to quickly come online to share this with you. That's what's coming in our broadcast pipeline. And until then, please visit my e-learning website. I look forward to your support, and thank you. What bad ticks? No bad ticks. I know what you're thinking. You guys like purposely stay back by end of the outro and wait for bad ticks. What bad ticks? No bad ticks. Okay, watch the 3 videos. There are bad ticks there. All right, that's a lot of bad ticks. Why are you looking at me like that's bad tick? I don't know. Okay, Sandeep wants me to make a bad tick.